Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings. Today we're going to go over how to draw a raven silhouette. It's going to be really simple. I want it to be able to be drawn by anybody, and we're going to be using this marker. Just use any kind of marker. It's absolutely easy, and I think you're going to have fun. So we're going to go step by step through this. Before that though, please check out my really cool sketchbook, and it'll show you, at least through example, how to kind of apply the drawing stuff here. And it's full of like different ideas of mine, monsters and even some fan art. 24 pages of stuff I don't post anywhere. Check that out. It's on sale right now. Click the link in the bio and it'll take you there, and you're really gonna love it. Thanks so much, and let's get into this. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw the shape of the beak, and that's going to pull forward here of the head. So it's going to be a small little bump for the head, and then like a straight line for the beak. I'm going to pull this kind of U shape underneath. Pull a straight line for the back. Pull another curved line up for the top of the wing. Pull a straight line out for the rest of the wing, the other part. And I'm going to have splayed lines for kind of the ends of the wing. And we're going to pull in here, and then we're gonna go down the bottom part of the wing and just going to create some little rivets. Go down to the stomach area. Put a line out for the foot. Underneath, it's going to go into the tail. Lower back, tail. And the tail is going to have a bit of a splayed shape as well. I'm going to throw out another splayed shape for the opposite wing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the entire thing. I could probably put like a little circle here for the eye. But I'm going to go in and I'm just going to fill in this entire shape. Fill that entirely in. And I'm going to alter this shape a little bit because it's looking a little weird. I'm going to give it a little bit fuller wing over there on that side. And that's pretty much it. That would be a raven silhouette. You don't have to do it exactly like that. You know, you can always kind of put your little twist on it, but for the most part, the head shape, the stomach, the back, and the wing, and the tail, those are the main areas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll talk to you in the next video.